Math 5, Quarter 3, Week 6, Milk Base. Let's learn about formulating the rule in finding the next term in sequence, using different strategies to solve for the unknown in simple equations involving one or more operations on whole numbers and fraction. Hello kids, it's me, Teacher Frel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for the latest video. You can also follow my Facebook page, Teacher Frel TV. Welcome back kids! For today's lesson in Math 5, we will discuss about formulating the rule in finding the next term in sequence, using different strategies to solve for the unknown in simple equations involving one or more operations on whole numbers and fraction. For our most essential learning competencies, formulates the rule in finding the next term in a sequence. Uses different strategies, looking for a pattern, working backwards, etc., to solve for the unknown in simple equations involving one or more operations on whole numbers and fractions. A number sequence is a list of numbers in which successive terms follow a rule of pattern. Each number in the sequence is called a term. By studying the sequence of numbers, we can find the rule governing the terms. The rule can tell us what number will come next in the sequence. In this lesson, you will formulate rule in finding the next term in a sequence. Letter A. Let us explore the process. Look for the pattern in the sequence of the numbers. Here is the pattern. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Looking at the pattern of the numbers. To find the second term, add 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. For the third term, add 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. For the fourth term, add 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. For the fifth term, add 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. And for the sixth term, add 6. 15 plus 6 equals 21. Therefore, the rule in the sequence is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Letter B. Look for the rule and find next three terms of the sequence. Here is the pattern of the numbers. 3, 6, 12, 24, blank, blank, blank. So we have here the solution. The rule is multiply by 2 or times 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. 24 times 2 equals 48. 48 times 2 equals 96. 96 times 2 equals 192. Therefore, the next three terms of the sequence are 48, 96, and 192. The sequence is 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, and 192. Letter C. Let us find the missing terms and rule used in the situation below. So the given pattern of number is 1, 3, 7, 15, and the missing term. Can you find the pattern or sequence used? What is the next term in the sequence? The rule is multiply by 2 and add 1, or times 2 plus 1. Second term. 1 times 2 plus 1 equals 3. Third term. 3 times 2 plus 1 equals 7. Fourth term. 7 times 2 plus 1 equals 15. So the fifth term is 31. For the fifth term, 15 times 2 plus 1 equals 31. Therefore, the pattern or rule used in the sequence was times 2 plus 1 or plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. There is no simple way for solving a problem, unlike exercises. We can better at solving problems by building up our background knowledge and by simply practicing. As we solve more problems, we learn strategies that can be useful. In this lesson, you will use different strategies to solve for the unknown in simple equations involving one or more operations on whole numbers and fraction. And now, let us explore the process. For example, Gatid Elementary School won a contest and gets to send 10 students to trip in Enchanted Kingdom. All interested students were assigned numbers and the principal has started reading off the numbers for the students who will attend. So the numbers of the students who will attend are 12, 27, 42, 57. Jairus realizes there is a pattern to these numbers. She has number 82 and wonders if she will be chosen to go on a trip this time. You should first notice that this is an ascending pattern, so the rule likely involves multiplication or addition. 12, 27, 42, 57, etc. Look at the numbers at the beginning of the sequence. Think, what could you do to 12 to get 27? You could add 15. 12 plus 15 equals 27. Next, check if any of these potential pattern rules work with the rest of the sequence. 27 plus 15 equals 42. 42 plus 15 equals 57. Consider 27 and 42. If you add 15 to 27, you get 42. So the pattern rule add 15 seems to work. Now, make sure add 15 works throughout the whole sequence. The numbers are 12, 27, 42, 57, 72, 87, 102, 117, 132, and 147. So 82 will not be chosen, so Jairus won't be going on the trip this time. And now, let us proceed for our first activity, Learning Task 1. A. Write the missing term. Number 1. The pattern is 12, 17, 22, 27. What is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 32. The rule is add 5. Number 2. 64, 67, 70. What is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 73. The rule is add 3. Number 3. 56, 49, 42, 35. What is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 28. The rule is subtract 7. Number 4. 3, blank, 27, 81. What is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 9. The rule is multiply by 3. And number 5, 78, 70, 62, and what is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 54. The rule is subtract 8. For letter B, Learning Task 1, formulate 5 rule or pattern of your own. Write one number sequence for each rule. For example, 5, 10, 20, 40, 80, 160. The rule or pattern is multiply by 2 or times 2. Now, make your own pattern and write the rule. For learning task 2, A, find the missing terms and write the rules. Number 1, 5, 6, 8, blank, 15. What is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 11. And the rule is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Number 2, 18, 20, 24, blank, 38. What is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 30. And the rule is plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. Number 3, 14, 17, 20, 23, blank. What is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 26. And the rule is plus 3. Number 4, 24, 30, 36, 42, blank. What is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 48. And the rule is plus 6. And number 5, 1 plus 10 plus 100. What is the missing term? Very good. The missing term is 1,000. And the rule is times 10. For letter B, learning task 2, the block above is the sum of the two blocks below. Fill in the missing blocks. To find the missing blocks, in each steps, we have to add the numbers on the first steps. Let us add first, 27 plus 10 equals 37. If you add 10 plus 34, the answer is 44. Next, 34 plus 37 equals 71. 37 plus 7 equals 44. 37 plus 44 equals 81. 44 plus 71 equals 115. 71 plus 44 equals 115. 81 plus 115 equals 196. And 115 plus 115 equals 230. Then add 196 plus 230 equals 426. Now, the blocks are complete. For learning task 3, solve the given problems. Write your answers in your answer sheet. Number 1. Carol has written a number pattern that begins with 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. If she continues this pattern, what are the next 4 numbers in her pattern? So the given pattern is 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, and we have to find the next 4 numbers in this pattern. So what are the 4 numbers or the 4 terms in this pattern? Very good. So the missing terms are 21, 25, 29, and 33. The rule for this is add 4 or plus 4. Number 2. You save 10 pesos on Monday. Each day after that, you save twice as much as you saved the day before. In this pattern continues, how much would you save on Friday? So on Monday, you save 10 pesos. Tuesday, 20 pesos. Wednesday, you save 40 pesos. Thursday, you save 80 pesos. And Friday, you save 160 pesos. So the rule for this is add 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Then add 20. 20 plus 20 equals 40. Then add 40. 40 plus 40 equals 80. Then add 80. 80 plus 80 equals 160. So on Friday, you will save 160. Number 3. Daisy saves part of her allowance in her piggy bank every day. On the first day, she saved 1 pesos. On the second day, she saved 2 pesos. On the third day, she saved 5 pesos. On the fourth day, she saved 14 pesos. If this pattern continues, how much Daisy save on the 6th day? So the pattern is 1, 2, 5, 14, and there are 2 missing terms. So we have to find the 2 missing terms. To find it, multiply 1 times 2 equals 2. Next, so add 2 plus 1 equals 3 times 2 equals 6 minus 1 equals 5. Next, 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals 8 times 2 equals 16 minus 2 equals 14. Next, 14 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 equals 22 times 2 equals 44 minus 3 equals 41. And 41 plus 14 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 times 2 minus 4 equals 122. You see in this pattern, we add all the patterns and we multiply it by 2, and each term is subtract by 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 4. Brian gave 10 stamps for his collection to both Sam and Rob. Then he gave 14 stamps to Kathy and 6 stamps to Grace. He still had 275 stamps. How many stamps were in Brian's collection to begin with? So 275 are the remaining stamps of Brian. Now to get how many stamps of Brian's collection, we have to add 275 plus 10 equals 285. Next, 285 plus 10 is 295. Next, 295 plus 14 equals 309. And 309 plus 6 equals 315. So to begin with, Brian's collection is 315. And number 5, Mrs. Cruz baked some cookies for the school bake sale. Karine bought 3 of the cookies and Jo Marie bought 2. Mr. Fahilago bought 1 dozen of the cookies. Justine and Scarlett each bought 6 cookies. Then Mrs. Valenzuela bought 4 of the cookies. That left only 3 cookies for Daryl's to buy. How many cookies did Mrs. Cruz bake for the sale? Here is the pattern. 3 bought by Karine, plus 2 bought by Jo Marie, plus 12 bought by Mr. Fahilago, plus 6 bought by Justine, plus 6 bought by Scarlett, plus 4 bought by Miss Valenzuela, and plus 3 left for Daryl, equals 36. Therefore, Mrs. Cruz baked 36 cookies for the sale. For the assessment, give the pattern rule of the following sequences. Number 1, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. The rule is plus 6. Number 2, 60, 56, 52, 48, 44. The rule is minus 4. Number 3, 99, 110, 121, 132, 143. The rule is plus 11. And for another assessment, read, analyze, and solve the following problems. Number 1. Brady was trying to decide when to get up in the morning. He needs 45 minutes to get ready for school. It takes him 25 minutes to drive to school. He wanted to get to school 20 minutes early to use the library. If school starts at 7:30, what time should he get up? So 45 minutes to get ready for school, plus 25 minutes to drive to school, plus 20 minutes early to use the library, equals 90 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, 6 o'clock a.m. is the time he will get up. For number 2, Amy and Judy sold 12 show tickets altogether. Amy sold 2 more tickets than Judy. How many tickets did each girl sell? So Amy sold 7 tickets and Judy sold 5 tickets. So Amy gets 7 tickets and Judy get 5 tickets. So kids, do you understand our topic today? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learn a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!